खतरों के खिलाड़ी Season 11 contestant list. There is still no confirmed list of the contestant who is going to take part in the 11th season of Khatron Ke Khiladi. But recently reports of the speculated contestant list of the 11th season of this show is doing rounds. Here are the contestants who might get spotted in the daring reality show. Rahul Vaidya. He might not have won the 14th season of Bigg Boss, but this singer has won millions of hearts with his gameplay. And this is why Rahul's fans want him to take part in the 11th season of Khatron Ke Khiladi. Asim Riaz. One of the most popular contestants of the 13th season of Bigg Boss, Asim Riaz failed to lift the winner's trophy by an inch. He gained immense fan base through his stint inside the BB house, and now his fans want him to win the 11th season of Khatron Ke Khiladi. Rubina Dilaik. The winner of 14th season of Bigg Boss, Rubina was one of the strongest players of this season. As per the reports, Rubina is in talks with the makers of Khatron Ke Khiladi for the 11th season of the show. Parth Samthan. One of the most sought-after actor in Indian TV industry is Parth Samthan, who has a huge female fan base. It will be a treat to watch the actor overcoming his fears in Khatron Ke Khiladi. Prince Narula. The undisputed king of reality shows is none other than Prince Narula. He has won Roadies, Bigg Boss, Splitvilla and Nach Paliye. And now, fans of this actor want him to add another feather in his winning hat by participating and winning Khatron Ke Khiladi. Surbhi Chandna. Nagin famed actress Surbhi has become quite popular recently, and she is in talks with the makers for Khatron Ke Khiladi. Abhinav Shukla. He has gained lots of fans through Bigg Boss this year, and reports suggest that he is gearing up for Khatron Ke Khiladi too. Shahir Sheikh. It is reported that one of the most handsome actors of Indian TV industry, Shahir Sheikh, has been approached for the show. Sharad Malhotra. The Nagin 5 actor Sharad Malhotra has been reported to be a part of this daring reality show. Which celebrity do you want to see in the 11th season of Khatron Ke Khiladi? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.